What's inside the Grand Bazaar? But first, let's go through the intro. Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog, and today we are here in Istanbul. I've never been to Istanbul before, so this is our first trip here. Been to Turkey before, but Istanbul is a lot prettier and there are a lot of things to see and do. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by checking out this historical place. It's one of the largest and oldest markets in the world. If you didn't know, this is the world's most visited landmark. With over 4,000 shops and 61 covered streets, this is a must-visit place in Istanbul. So you can see this place is full of tourists. It's massive. It takes a while to get through the whole thing. I love the ceiling architecture on the ceiling. I wonder if it's original. They do say it's about 300 years old, this place, and also I found out from one of the guys we have about 4,000 shops. Just a quick tip, if you ever need to change your currency in Istanbul, always change it at the Grand Bazaar. You will get a much better rate than the local places. We got some good rates here at this shop behind us. So this market basically has everything from souvenirs to shoes to clothes to designer bags, leather goods, lighting, you name it, has everything. It's really beautiful, it's very clean. Civilized people, Turkish people are really nice, and they actually greet you, they welcome you, they're very friendly, and they don't harass you. So I love these shops that you can see, beautiful lighting.
आप कैसे हैं? ठीक है
ठीक है भाई, आप कैसे हैं?
Where is up Shah Rukh Khan?
Shah Rukh Khan is here.
Yes, yes.
Right.
कहाँ से?
मैं बांग्लादेश से आया हूँ.
Bangladesh, welcome.
You okay?
Dhaka.
Dhaka, Sylhet, brother. Sylhet.
Sylhet?
Yes.
You know Green Road?
Green Road, yes.
You know?
Yeah, yeah.
In Dhaka.
Dhaka, yeah, yeah.
I've been there.
All right, okay. What's your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed.
What's
Nice
your
to
name?
Faisal, man.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
So your shop?
Yes, MashaAllah.
This is what is it? Do you want me to film it?
Yes, no problem.
Look, here is Mohammed, and I'm going to show you his spice shop that he has. So what's your shop called?
Kadir Baba, my name of shop.
Kabir Baba.
Kadir Baba. We sell spices, tea, herbals, saffron, perfume, chocolate, nuts.
Do you mind if I go in?
Welcome. Do you want a cup of tea? To try it?
Turkish delight.
I'd like to take your YouTube channel now
Yeah, definitely.
to follow you.
So he's going to make me a Turkish tea
This is mixed herbals.
with all the mixed herbals.
8 kind of herbals. We mix it with pomegranate, dried pomegranate and apple. So the taste coming from the fruits and the benefits coming from the herbals. Just we add hot water. Just we gonna mix it slowly, like 30 seconds, then you have to try it. It's very delicious.
Apple, pomegranate and herbals. So let's taste this tea, guys.
That one is mixed.
This is so delicious, really nice, really tasty. Thank you, man. Thank you. What's this spice again?
This is for rice. Especially we use it for rice, Turkish rice.
Oh my god, that's
To make the
very
rice
unique.
yellow. To make rice yellow, give you a very good taste for the rice. At the top chicken, what do you call biryani? Or,
Biryani, yeah.
This is good for your biryani.
What's this?
That's it. It has coriander, has
Okay.
saffron, whole pepper.
This is better than Indian spices. This is really nice.
Would you like to try?
I'm alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
There is many different flavors. Chocolate taste, nuts taste, fruit taste. 16 different flavors. Strawberry, pistachio, blueberry, caramel, pomegranate, coffee, pistachio, gum mastic. And that's the one you tried. Almond, papaya, nougat, sesame, grapes, figs, rose,
You've got everything, yeah?
Oreo and saffron. If you want to get something for your mother-in-law, get sugar one. If you want something for your mother, get the honey one.
Say something? Hello, my friend. How are you? Is this your shop? Yeah. Yes. What do you sell? So this is it, guys. This was a Grand Bazaar. Had a lovely time there. Made some friends, and we also checked out all the places. Had some food. Great experience. Do come here if you're in Istanbul. We're gonna go and see what's next for us. So do stay tuned.